Hey everybody, I'm Trish from Foldfactory and this is your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Thanks for watching. This week I'm sharing with you one of my favorite low budget wonders, the step double parallel. And I've shown this type of format before, but usually it's used for invitations for events and marketing brochures and informational materials, stuff like that, which is great. But I recently got a sample that was actually a restaurant menu that was saturation mailed. And so what I thought was really neat was you don't normally see creativity in those types of saturation mail flyers and things like that. So what I wanted to show was kind of the versatility of this format. And so this was Seasons Pizza, and so this is their menu. So this is a restaurant menu. This was mailed as a flat. You can see the address right here. And so these were, saturation mailed. And what I love is you've got this stepped side, which is characteristic of the stepped double parallel. And the stepped double parallel is basically a classic double parallel is in half and in half again. The step double parallel is short of in half and then short of in half. And what happens is you get a stepped edge on the cheap. So they've got this little stepped edge, which is nice. It says see inside for our daily specials. It's got the little short cover and then also the short panel here, and it opens into their menu. So again, from a production standpoint, one of the cheap, simple, easy, low budget. But what I really like is that they've used this format for their oversized flyer for the mail. So I just want you to kind of think about what ways you could maybe use this format, and it's creative and inexpensive. So it goes basically this panel you can see here. Watch, this is a little bit short right there, and then we're short here too. So we're not in half and in half, we're short of in half and short of in half, and what you get is a stepped edge. So just a nice coated sheet. This feels like about a 70 to 80 pound max. Just a great use of one of my favorite low budget wonders. So I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool fold of the week. Oversized step double parallel. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. Viewers, please send me your folds if I use them. I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folded samples, dial-ins, and print. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.